So guys, today I'm gonna show you how I make this kind of centerpiece. I'll try to do it step by step. I'm not a good teacher, but I'll show you how I do it. So guys, for this centerpiece I have 13 dark red, I would say dark red burgundy color roses, 8 of the pink, dusty pink kind of, then 5 stems of the spray roses, blush pink, then I have 8 stems of the spider mums, burgundy color, few stems of huckleberry, if I'm saying it right, I'm not sure, I will write it down for you, and the Italian ruscus. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, also I have 2 stems of hydrangea. 2 stems of hydrangea. And what we have here is a box 9 by 10, and I got those plastic bases that can hold the wet oasis so it doesn't leak through. And I always start with the big flowers. So I'll start with the hydrangea. I cut all my flowers on an angle. Stuck it in one corner. Cut it on an angle. Stuck it in a different corner. Alright. Then I'm gonna start with the pink roses. And before this video I clean all my stems for all my flowers, so they're all clean, easy to work. Cut it on an angle and place them the way you feel like your bouquet should. There's no right or wrong way, so just place it the way you want your bouquet to be. And these pink roses, now we're gonna put our red roses in. Just fill up the spaces with your roses. We have a bunch of spaces, and now we're gonna use our spider mums. Basically I put them with the spaces. So I cut them a little bit longer because I want them to sticking out a little bit higher than the rest of the flowers. And again, there's few empty spots here. That's where I'm gonna place my spray roses. And as you can see, sticking out just a little bit, not too high, not too low. Something here. And now we're gonna put our greenery in. Just put them on the bottom there. We're done, guys. Here's our centerpiece. Just do a close-up for you guys. I'm not a big fan of red roses, but just look at it. This one is like a velvet. So cute. Those pink ones, very nice. Spray roses, they open up fully.